Hello guys, welcome. I'm gonna game off the road. This is so cool. Hey. I'm playing now. Look. No. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna dead. Oh.
Hello guys, that's my friend.
Ouch!
Who's gaming that thing?
Helicopter da. So fun.
They're not multi-play.
You're not multiplayer da. Guys, so don't believe him.
Because my phone is low bat.
This one is my physics. I'm gonna jump in.
My phone is charging. Oh!
Okay, so.
Oh no.
No. Drowning. Okay, let's drive this on speedboat.
Speedboat.
May kaos tayo. Norman,
Big.
a big Ben.
Back.
What did he say about guy? Okay, let's drive this panel.
Stupid speedboat, bro. Think it up.
This of the road is when you can see in of the road too, you will see a dead people.
Dead people are still alive, bro.
They are bones, a skeleton.
Just joking, you're stupid.
I'm gonna park a so cool speedboat park. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Look guys, so can really park the speedboat. Yes, so let's put every so here's my map. Ouch! So big, it's so small. There is the so let's go to next location. Let's go to the okay. Let's bump the car and speedboat and boom! Oh no, my ship is sinking. Okay, let's get this. Grab these things. So guys, like and subscribe and give me many views. Please guys, subscribe and like or comment channels down below. Please chat to me in comments. Please guys, like and subscribe. If you want more of our videos. Okay guys, so it's my only little game. I will be fixed today. Okay. Bye guys. See you next